One of the things we were talking about last time you were here was that when you explained that there's 700 different languages that these Aborigines have, and that a mob, that's what they call like a tribe, a mob of Aborigines, could be just 10 kilometers away from another mob.
Yeah, so one community to the next.
They don't know what the other people are saying.
Yeah, they wouldn't know their language.
One of the things we were talking about last time you were here was that when you explained that there are 700 different languages that these Aborigines have, and that a mob, that's what they call a tribe, of Aborigines could be just 10 kilometers away from another mob. Yeah, so one community to the next, they don't know what the other people are saying. They wouldn't know their language. Human history is far older and more mysterious than we ever imagined. For centuries, archaeologists and historians have attempted to piece together the story of our past, but every now and then, a discovery emerges that completely rewrites everything we thought we knew. A newly uncovered cave painting, estimated to be over 1 million years old, has just done exactly that. This ancient artwork, found in a remote and previously unexplored cave system, has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Up until now, the oldest known cave paintings, such as those found in France's Chauvet Cave and Indonesia's Sulawesi caves, were believed to be around 40,000 to 50,000 years old. These paintings were attributed to early Homo sapiens and, in some cases, even Neanderthals. But this new discovery completely shatters that timeline. 1 million years ago, our planet looked vastly different. Early humans were still in the process of developing tools, fire, and complex communication. The dominant belief among scientists was that artistic expression, such as cave paintings, didn't emerge until much later in human evolution. But this new discovery suggests that symbolic thinking, storytelling, and perhaps even spirituality could have existed in our ancient ancestors far earlier than previously believed. What makes this cave painting even more remarkable is not just its age, but the level of detail and sophistication it exhibits. The images are not simple handprints or abstract symbols, but rather intricate depictions of animals, human-like figures, and strange otherworldly shapes that defy explanation. Some of the creatures depicted do not resemble any known species from that time period, leading some experts to speculate that they could either be representations of long-extinct animals or something else entirely. The initial dating process was conducted using a combination of uranium series dating and advanced luminescence techniques. Unlike carbon dating, which is limited to organic materials and has a maximum range of around 50,000 years, these methods allow scientists to analyze the mineral deposits that formed over the paintings, determining when they were created. The results were staggering, placing the paintings at well over 1 million years old. This revelation has forced scientists to reconsider which species of early humans could have been responsible for creating these artworks. Homo sapiens, as we know them today, did not exist at that time. The most likely candidates are Homo erectus or even an unknown, yet to be discovered, human ancestor. Homo erectus is known to have existed as far back as 2 million years ago and was one of the first human species to migrate out of Africa. They were intelligent, capable of using fire, and skilled in crafting stone tools. However, until now, there has been no evidence suggesting that they possess the ability to create symbolic art. If Homo erectus did in fact paint these images, it would mean they had a far richer and more complex cognitive world than we ever imagined. Another shocking aspect of the cave painting is the presence of handprints that appear eerily similar to those of modern humans. While some of these prints match the expected proportions of Homo erectus, others suggest the possibility of an unknown hominid species. Could this be evidence of an undiscovered branch of human evolution, one that was capable of sophisticated artistic expression and possibly even communication through symbols? Beyond the scientific implications, this discovery also raises profound philosophical and cultural questions. What were these ancient artists trying to convey? Were they recording their experiences, telling stories, or attempting to communicate with future generations? Some researchers believe that the paintings could represent early forms of mythology or spiritual beliefs, indicating that these ancient humans may have had religious or shamanistic traditions long before previously thought. One of the most perplexing aspects of the paintings is the recurring appearance of geometric patterns, spirals, and star-like formations. These shapes bear a striking resemblance to those found in much later cave paintings created by Homo sapiens. Some researchers have even drawn comparisons to ancient petroglyphs and carvings found across different continents, suggesting a possible continuity of symbolic thinking that spans hundreds of thousands of years. But here's where things get even stranger. Some of the animal-like figures depicted in the cave painting do not correspond to any known species from the time period. Among the images are creatures with elongated limbs, large staring eyes, and oddly shaped heads. Some skeptics dismiss these figures as artistic exaggerations or mythical representations, but others believe they could hint at something far more mysterious. Could these paintings be evidence of lost knowledge, an insight into a forgotten chapter of human history that we have yet to understand? Some fringe researchers have even speculated that these images might depict beings that early humans encountered, leading to theories about lost civilizations, advanced prehistoric knowledge, or even extraterrestrial contact. While mainstream science remains skeptical of such claims, the mere presence of these unexplained figures fuels endless debate. Adding to the intrigue, the location of the cave itself is highly significant. Situated in a region that was previously thought to be uninhabited during that time period, its discovery challenges established migration patterns and human settlement theories. If early humans were present here, creating sophisticated art, it raises questions about their mobility, interactions, and even the possibility of unknown civilizations predating those we currently recognize. There is also the question of how these paintings have remained so well preserved for over 1 million years. Normally, cave paintings degrade due to natural erosion, moisture, and human interference. Yet these particular images have survived in remarkable condition. Scientists believe this may be due to the cave's unique environment, sealed off for thousands of years, protected by mineral deposits that have shielded the artwork from the elements. While experts continue to analyze the paintings, new technological advancements are helping to uncover even more details. High-resolution 3D scanning and infrared imaging have revealed additional layers of artwork that were previously invisible to the naked eye. Some of these underlying images suggest that the cave may have been used for artistic purposes across multiple generations, with different groups adding to the artwork over time. This raises another fascinating possibility. Could there have been a long-standing tradition of art and storytelling among early humans that extends back millions of years? If so, this would mean that artistic expression did not suddenly emerge with Homo sapiens but was instead a fundamental aspect of human evolution itself. The implications of this discovery are staggering. It suggests that the roots of human creativity, imagination, and communication go back much further than we ever believed. It challenges our perception of early hominids as primitive beings and instead paints a picture of intelligent, artistic ancestors who may have been far more advanced than we give them credit for. As research continues, archaeologists and historians are left with more questions than answers. Were these early humans simply documenting their surroundings, or were they trying to convey something deeper, perhaps a message meant to last through the ages? Could this be the missing link in understanding the origins of human consciousness and symbolic thought? One thing is certain, this million-year-old cave painting has forever changed human history. It challenges everything we thought we knew about our ancestors and forces us to reconsider the origins of art, communication, and human cognition. What other secrets remain buried beneath the earth, waiting to be uncovered? What other pieces of our ancient past are still out there, hidden in the darkness, waiting to rewrite the story of humanity? The discovery of this cave painting is just the beginning. The truth about our past is far more complex, mysterious, and fascinating than we ever imagined.